Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain you the practicals that you have to write in your lab manual. This is your lab manual. This is of Friend publication that you have to buy from the shop. And in this lab manual you have to write the practicals. There are 10 practicals in your course, so you have to write one by one practicals in this lab manual. And so today we start with the first practical, and it is from the cell division, and it is mitosis cell division. And in mitosis cell division you have to write both the cells. The mitosis cell division of both the cells is given in your lab manual, but you have to write the mitosis cell division of animal cell in your lab manual. So today I am going to explain you the different stages of mitosis cell division in animal cell. So this is the compound microscope, in which you have to observe the permanent slide. This is a slide. Permanent slides of different stages or phases of mitosis in animal cell. We all know there are 5 phases. It starts from the interphase, then interphase, after interphase it is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and then these are the stages of karyokinesis. And after karyokinesis, cytokinesis occurs, means cell divides into 2 parts. What is cell division? Cell division is the division of parent cell into 2 daughter cells of equal and same number of chromosomes, having same number of chromosomes in it. So daughter cells are duplicate copy of their parent cell in mitosis cell division. So in last, in cytokinesis, there are 2 steps in cell division. It is first is the karyokinesis and second is the cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is the division of nucleus, and for the division of nucleus there are 5 stages. It starts from the interphase and ends in telophase, and after telophase cytokinesis occurs, means division of cytoplasm occurs. So in this way one parent cell divides into 2 daughter cells. So in this microscope, this is the compound microscope, and in this microscope you have to observe the permanent slides of different phases of mitosis cell division in animal cell. So after observing the slides, you will find the first is the interphase. This is the interphase, and in interphase is also called the preparatory stage of cell division. And in this, it itself divides into 3 parts. First is the G1 phase, second is the S phase, and third is the G2 phase. In G1 phase, cell grows in size, so it starts for the division. And in S phase, DNA starts to replicate, means one DNA replicate into 2 same types of DNA. And third is the G2 phase. In G2 phase, cell again grows in size, and RNA and protein, histone protein synthesize in G2 phase. In this way, after interphase, our cell is prepared for the karyokinesis, the first phase of karyokinesis, and it is the prophase. Prophase is the prophase. In prophase, centrosome, which occurs outside the cell, it splits into 2 parts and it moves to opposite poles of nucleus. In this way, this is the first centriole and this is the second centriole, and they start to form the spindle fiber. Spindle fiber is a proteinaceous network of the fibers, and it starts in prophase, and also in prophase nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappears, and chromatin fibers thicken, and they now looks like a chromosome. Chromosome is a structure in which 2 chromatids join. These are the 2 chromatids. These joins at the center, and it is called centromere. It already I have explained you in chapter. Centromere joins the 2 chromatids chromatin fibers, it looks like a chromosome. It thickened and shortening in length, so that now they are called chromosome. After prophase, next phase is the metaphase. In metaphase, spindle fiber looks very clear, and chromosomes arranged at the equatorial plate. They aligned at equatorial plane, and after metaphase, the third stage is the anaphase. In anaphase, centromere splits. Centromere is the joint. It joins the two chromatids of the chromosome. It splits into two parts, and the chromosomes tilted towards the opposite poles of nucleus. See, and because of the tilting, they makes the shape they looks like a V shape. In V shape, and in this way they moves to opposite poles of nucleus. And after this is the anaphase, is the shortest phase of cell division. Now after anaphase, the last phase is the telophase. In telophase is also called the duplicate of prophase, because in this spindle fiber disappears, and nucleolus and nuclear membrane again reappear, and chromosomes again becomes like a chromatin fiber. They are thickening, they becomes very thin like a fiber, and in this way they are called chromatin fiber. And because it is an animal cell, so the cytoplasm in this way constrict, and in this way it forms the two lobes of the cytoplasm. This is called the centrifugal type of cell division. It is centripetal type of in plant cell, because in plant cell, in telophase, no constriction of cytoplasm occurs. A plate is formed between the two cells, so it is called centripetal in plant cell. But in animal cell, cytoplasm constrict itself, so it is called centrifugal type of cell division in animal cell. And after cleavage, in this way two cells are formed. These are called the daughter cells, and in this way single parent cell divides into two daughter cells, and these two daughter cells are duplicate copy of their parent cell. This is the mitosis cell division. These are the stages of karyokinesis, and this is the cytokinesis. In this way, following two steps, our cell divides into two parts or in two daughter cells. This is the mitosis cell division in animal cell. This practical you have to write in your lab manual, and PDF I have already given to you. So you have to write this practical. This is all about the first practical.